Welcome to Enjoy Nature, where I bring you along on my adventures and share the sights with you in the hopes that it will inspire you to also get out there and enjoy nature. I'm seeing my first bear. I thought I heard you down here, bro. Thought I heard you down here last night. You go on, do your thing, I'll do mine. Yeah, just sitting down there. He's not leaving, so I think I'm gonna head on up this way. I wish I had a better camera. There's no way you can see him. But he's maybe 100 yards from me right now. Wow, that's my first time seeing a bear. I was just walking down to the canoe landing and scared the shit out of him, so he jumped and went taking off through the brush. And so I stopped and I was like, holy crap, that's a bear. But he only went about 10 foot and then stopped and started looking back at me. So if he took off all the way, I would have gone on down to the landing. But as much as I've been out in the woods, I haven't had a lot of bear encounters. That's my first actual time seeing a bear in the woods. And forgot to bring my bear spray with me, which is kind of shitty. And then it's early spring too, so they're hungry. It's still at starving time. So I'm just gonna play it safe and go to a different part of the park. So I don't know if you can see him now. But it's right down there by that tree. See, there we go, he's moving. Yep. Yeah, he came up a little bit. It's hoping to get down there. It doesn't look like he's too inclined. Now that I've come down a little bit, that was really exciting. That like scared the piss out of me because it was maybe 50 feet away from me when I spooked it, and it ran and I ran. Like I didn't really run because I didn't like, but I was like, holy shit, what's that? And I grabbed my camera, and then when I saw it was a bear, I started backing up a little bit. But wow. Check this off on what day is today? Is it the 6th of May? I think 2021. My first bear sighting, 44 years old, first bear sighting. Yeah. And I'll tell you, if you're out with like a group of people, it wouldn't really be anything, but when you're out here completely by yourself and you don't have any real means of protecting myself, I don't have a sidearm or a bear mace. Not that you need them for a black bear, but especially when you don't have any experience, it certainly makes you feel more comfortable And that's why most people bring that stuff with them, is just so that they feel more safe in the woods. And I get that. It's going to be a little interesting going for a hike now. I always know they're out there. I've always known they're out there, but now seeing one and just seeing how close you can get to it before it even realizes you're there, I might make a little bit more noise on the trail. What are these little dudes up to? Oh, go ahead, it's fine. Sorry, interrupted their little games. The chipmunk games.
Thank you for joining me for this journey today. It is a joy to share my love of nature with you. I hope it has inspired you to, in whatever way you can, big or small, get out there and enjoy nature.